Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Ram 2500 diesel. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ram has less than 148,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Ask to see the free Carfax Vehicle History Report. Key features include MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power door locks, and power windows.